Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to show you my completed beaded cross stitch kits, and I would like to start with this one. The name of this kit is Cherry. This Russian beautiful girl in the Russian folk dress looks amazing. This kit was purchased from a Russian brand named Golden Hands. To tell you the truth, I would say that this very brand, Golden Hands, is like the best top brand in beaded cross stitch kits. It is like a DAC, right? Diamond Art Club of beaded cross stitch kits, right? It's beautiful. They have their own designers. They have a very high quality tools and materials, for example, high quality check beads. They have their own designers that generate beaded cross stitches, original artwork into beaded cross stitches. They have even their own designers for the artwork, better to say their own artists. And before releasing it to the public, they bead stitch the kits themselves, and if it turns out to be good, then they launch it as a product. So they have a very strict quality control. The kits are not cheap. I purchased this one back in 2018, maybe for $100, but it was worth it. So the specifications. This is a full beaded cross stitch kit. The unique thing about this and other kits that I'm going to show you, that it was bead stitched from scratch. It was bead stitched on a blank canvas, blank white canvas, and I was using the black and white, pattern, right, to bead stitch it. The size of the kit was 41 by 42 centimeters, approximately like 16 by 16 inches, 16.5 maybe, and it came with 73 colors of beads, again, high quality check beads. This kit also included special shaped beads, these big sized pearl beads. And to tell you the truth, when I began to bead stitch it, I regretted a little bit purchasing this very kit first, because it was really very hard to bead stitch the special shaped beads first, but once I got a hand of it, I completed it. But yeah, to tell you the truth, if you just start bead stitching, it's better to start with the simpler kits that do not include any special sized beads, because it's hard to count. So it took me maybe a year to bead stitch this very design, and I'm in the rapture over how it turned out. I really love it, and as you can see, I already framed it. I purchased the frame in Art to Frames. This is a kind of like custom framing online store in New York, and in comparison to physical stores, even Michael's or private custom framing, their frames are really very cheap, and you can customize it. You can request a specific size, like this one, again, as I said, 42 by 41 centimeters. It's a non-standard size. It was impossible to find the frame for it. I just rounded up saying that it's 16 by 16 inches. In reality, it's not. So, and we ordered it over there, and it cost only $70, and I think it is pretty cheap, right? And they made this frame from scratch. Along with the mat, my mom and I chose the mat color, the frame color, they cut the precise size. So it's gorgeous. I love how it turned out. It's beautiful. It's very beautiful. The next kit that I purchased from the same brand is Inseparable Friends. I purchased it right in COVID, and if I got this kit in a few weeks, right, by air, it took 6 months by sea. And to tell you the truth, at some point I thought that the package was lost, and that I lost my $100, because as I mentioned previously, the kits are pretty expensive, but to tell you the truth, it's worth it. Expensive, but worth it. Now, when I checked their website, the kits are already in like $170 range, $150, $200 range. So very expensive, but beaded cross stitch is pretty expensive, and unfortunately at this point there is no way for me to order it, you know, the war and stuff. So in any case, this kit is a little bit bigger. It's 40 by 50 centimeters, and it contained 55 colors. It took me, I don't know, 5 years maybe to bead stitch. And maybe you noticed that as much as I love diamond painting landscapes and houses, cottages, I love bead stitching people. Maybe because of the detalization or beautiful color blending. Color transition is perfect, and the face detalization is outstanding, right? So in any case, I purchased this kit because when I saw the original artwork, this girl reminded me of my own daughter. She was almost the same age. She has wavy hair. She is blonde. She has green eyes, but it's fine, right? It's hard to say from the distance, green or blue, but my daughter also started going to preschool at the time, and I don't know, this girl just resembled me of my daughter, and I decided to purchase this kit. So after I received it, I actually began to work on it, but then, I don't know, I got distracted by diamond painting, and I hadn't touched this kit for 5 years. Then I came back to it, finished it, but at this point my daughter already went like second to third grade. But nevertheless, I also like how it turned out. It is very detailed. The color selection is great, and I just need to frame it. The next kit was purchased from Russian-Ukrainian brand. Oh my god, it is so sad to realize that now, because of one old fart, we are enemies. Oh my god. Okay, I'm sorry for that. Just for me, this is like, this is very painful. For me, Ukrainians are great people, and I feel so bad with what's going on because of one idiot, one freaking idiot in the government. I'm sorry for that. Okay, whatever. So in any case, this is that was a Russian-Ukrainian company. I think the name is Magic of Beads or something like this. I found this group in Russian social media, and I decided to purchase this very kit just to try it, to whether I like it or not, and just to make sure that, you know, it's not a scam or anything. So I purchased the cheapest one. It was like $30. The size is 46 by 44 centimeters, and it came with 19 colors of beads, right? And I mean, I love diamond. I love bead stitching it. It also turned out pretty good, right? And this very kit also came with a special shaped beads. I don't know if you see it over here on the stars. I just think that it's better to show the kits maybe without the flash. I'm not sure. That's how it looks with the flash. That's how it looks without the flash. Well, actually, maybe with the flash it looks even better. But I'm showing it to you on a natural daylight, right? That's how it looks in reality. So, and I really liked it. And I decided to do a custom with them because they offered such an option. If you follow my channel, I'm pretty sure you remember I mentioned several times that this was my most favorite postcard when I was a child. I don't know, just this design lived in my heart for such a long period of time. I just love it. I think it is beautiful. It is very peaceful and festive at the same time, but simple. So it's a beautiful design. And you see, this postcard is from USSR from 1980 something. I don't know, there was the date somewhere, 1987. Can you imagine? And I kept it because I really love it. So in any case, I sent the image of this design to this Russian-Ukrainian group, and they did generate this very artwork into a very beautiful design. That's how it looks, 43 by 47 centimeters. It came with 39 colors, but you see, technically it's a little bit like in bluish shades instead of like greenish bluish, but nevertheless, I still like it. And that's how it looks completed. That's how it looks with a flashlight, or flash, right? I'm so nervous. I already told you I'm very nervous to make some grammatical mistake, but thank you so much for your motivating and encouraging comments. But yeah, sometimes I'm like, what should I say? So that's how it turned out. I also like it. Unfortunately, both of them are not framed yet, but I hope I will. That's how it looks, you know, with the flash, without the flash. Actually, with the flash it looks better, right? So, but yeah, all these kits were bead stitched on the from the scratch, right, on the blank canvas. Okay, there was no design on it. I had to technically count cross. That's why it's called beaded cross stitch, right? I had to count. So, and now I would like to show you a few, so to say, maybe like smaller kits with the design printed on the canvas already. Maybe it's a bad word to call them primitive, but these kind of beaded cross stitch kits were my first kits that I purchased just to try beaded cross stitch, because I hadn't done it before. I cross stitched, and this is my first and last cross stitched kit, and I just wanted to try something new because counted cross stitch is just way too time consuming. I don't know how long it took me to cross stitch it, 3-4 years, and I don't know, I'm not patient enough now for cross stitching. And I ordered this kit from some Ukrainian website, and I bead stitched. I can say that I like the result now, but I enjoyed bead stitching it back then, and I actually liked it. That's how it looks. And as you can see, the canvas has already the design on it, and if you look at it, only like maybe 20% of the design is bead stitched, not much. This is the first one. This is the second one. This one, this has a little bit more of a, so to say, pasting area than the previous one. I like this one more. I also bead stitched this one. This is from a Russian brand. Although this is also partial, but I like how it turned out actually. This is lilac, the bouquet of lilac. Of course, I didn't frame it very well, as you can see, but actually the final result is pretty good. There was also a very small kit that I bead stitched. I don't even remember the size, but it is really very small, look like my hand size. And I had more kits, but this one was given away as a gift to my co-worker. She was from Ukraine, and she married a guy, and they were moving to another state, so she was quitting and leaving, and I decided to give it to her as a gift. And that was also a beaded cross stitch kit. The design was, of course, already on the canvas, but it was bead stitched with regular beads, with special shade beads, with the floss, as you can see, like golden floss and stuff. And yeah, that's how it looks completed. Pretty good, right? I mean, I really liked this fairy kit, but it is in California now. It lives in California. Beautiful girl. And that's pretty much it. However, I have one more kit from this Russian-Ukrainian brand, Magic of Beads, right? Bead Magic, I'm not sure the correct name of their brand. The only thing that stops me is the size. 70 by 50 centimeters. I mean, I don't even buy such sizes in diamond painting because I consider them to be too big, and in beaded cross stitch, it would take me like, I don't know, years to bead stitch it, because also it's way more time consuming than diamond painting, of course, and the size is huge. So it contains 59 colors, and I really love this very design. But I will start it. At some point I will start it. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know what kit, what design you like the best. By the way, when I record the kits from Golden Hands with the flash, the beads, right, the beads that they used, they somehow reflect the light. Look at that. You see, it looks very weird. In reality, it looks normal. The same with this very kit. With the flash, it looks worse than without the flash. But the Bead of Magic, on the contrary, looks better with the flash on. I'm not sure why. Maybe they're using different beads. I'm not sure. Although their beads are also pretty high quality. So just let me know which kit or kits you like the best, and if you yourself want to try this craft. And thank you so much for my subscriber who actually encouraged me to record this video. Thank you, and I will see you soon.